Hi everyone, today I'm going to do a demo Yotpo integration. So here you can see the integration with Yotpo, press connect, and it will connect you to Yotpo. It will ask for the store, then you need to connect, which will automatically connect to Yotpo. Now on Yotpo you will see Dondy there, so you can see it was a successful connection and now we have an integration. Now we need to fill in these details. So we'll first add the flow name here. And if you want to change any details, you can. You can edit the text, or you can add buttons. And once you've finished editing and changing and you're happy with the results, press Create Flow. You can see that the template is pending, but we have automations which are already approved, which I'll show you now. So now you can see the one that we created just before is now approved. And once approved, and when any customer makes a purchase, they will receive this message seen previously on the template.